Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. It's already 9:40 in the morning in the Philippines, no? And here in the Middle East, it's 4:40 in the morning. Good morning po sa inyong lahat, to my fellow OFWs around the world. And to my wife, shout out, good morning, Nina ACAS, thank you for your support. To MHC Delhen, thank you for your support, and to Engineer Ibn Bilan. Today is March 4 na, 2021. So, mabilis po yung araw natin, no? March 4 na, 2021. So, the trading time where they start for 9:30 in the morning. Now it's already 9:41. So, we need to see what is the price movement of Philippine Stock Exchange Index as of 9:41 in the morning. And we see the PCI yesterday, yung mangat ba doon sa may resistant area, yung horizontal resistant area. This is the area we need to see for PCI. If there is a breakout of that horizontal resistance. So by the way, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion, there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position. If you have shares of these companies, as I said several times, this discussion is to study support and resistance. This is the very much important here in the stock market, support and resistance. So we need to see the price movement based on the actual chart. So purely, it is only for educational purposes. Study, support, and resistance. So now let's go to the PCI chart. We need to see what is the current movement of PCI as of 9:42 in the morning, Philippine time. So this is the current chart of PSEI. So PSEI is hitting the horizontal resistant line yesterday, but now, as of 9:43 in the morning, it is rejected, and there's a pullback of the PSEI as of 9:43 in the morning. So if ever today, if the closing price of PCI is red, so we'll expect that there's a pullback, as I said yesterday, here in the incline support, this line. But if ever, another scenario, if we will close above on this horizontal resistance, if we will break this horizontal resistance, next possible direction is this incline resistance above. If he will close and break this horizontal resistance today. But if ever he will red, the closing price today is below the opening price, so we'll expect the PCI will go back to this incline support line below. So as of 9:44, it is down by 1.49%. So we'll see the who is the most active and top gainers and top losers as of 9:44. The top gainers now is Now Corporation is up by 28.98%, followed by Dato. PSE is down by 1.01%, and EPL, MEH and Green SM. SM is red, is down by 3.31% as of 9:45 in the morning. So the top gainers, again, it is Now Corporation, 20.62. And top losers is still MFIN, 6.9%, and followed by LAN, 6.45%. As of 9:45 in the morning. Thank you for your support, Zion's daughter. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. And now, let's go to the requested stock. No, this is only requested, but to check my personal point of view. But as I said, there is no recommendation for buying and selling or holding your position. It's depend on your trading strategy. But the most important is the support and resistance. This is very much important in the stock market. So the first one here is China Bank, CHIB. So we will see CHIB. So this is the chart of China Banking Corporation. Now he's going sideways as of how many days now or months now? He's going sideways, and he is above the moving average, all moving average, the current price, but it is near the resistant area. This area here, this horizontal line, this line, yellow line. This is the next horizontal resistance for CHIB. So it means it is near the uh, resistant area. So we need to wait if there is a breakout. For me, I need to wait if there's a breakout of this resistant line. Otherwise, I will wait if there's another pullback of the horizontal support below. Because, as I said, if the price of a certain stock is in the resistant area, this is the area where the seller or the demand for the selling. No? There are a lot of shares to be sell on this area because this is the resistant area. So every traders, they are watching every time where is the resistant area. So they will sell it and take some of the profit if the price going up to the resistant area. So that's why we need to avoid buying shares if it is in the resistant area. We need to wait if there is a breakout, confirm breakout during if the closing price is break the resistant line. So not by during the trading hours. So it is not advisable even it is a break, but we need to see during the closing price. So if the closing price break the resistant line, then there's a possibility that it will go up. Or we need to see also in the next trading day maybe there is a pulse breakout. But we need to aware always, and we need to see, we need to trade what we see in the chart. So for its CHIB, I will, for me, for my own opinion, I will wait if there's a breakout or if there is another pullback of this horizontal support below. So this is my opinion for CHIB. Next one is FLI. So we need to see the price movement of FLI. Shout out to my wife and Image Idilhen, Engineer Edwin Belan, and Giant's daughter. To Francis Amparo, Kate Jason, to Manny Davis and Engineer Ryan Lasaka, and Will Lodnuk and John Marching, and Rap Levy Murano and Minard Castro. To Ivan Devi Wakiri and Kindi Mirias and Dave Maipan and Aki Bordado. Thank you for your support to Giant's daughter. Thank you very much. 26 Abonitalia and Patricia Siasat, thank you for your support. So now if we see the Phil and Bislan, Phil and Bislan now is still above this incline support. So for me, we need to see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni FLI. But the best area I need to watch is if he will climb above on this horizontal resistance. If he will climb in this area, this is the area I need to watch here in this area. But for now, still he is in the resistant area. So we need to watch if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance. And if you have a position in the bottom, you need to wait and see if this incline support ay hindi ma-break ni FLI. So this is my opinion for FLI. I need to wait if there's a breakout, especially if the price will go above all the exponential moving averages. So for now, he's below the AME 20. So I need to wait if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance. So I need to see if FLI will climb above on this area here. So for now, he is in the resistant area. So next one is PCOR. We need to see PCOR. MEH still green and now corporation. And the top gainers is still now an LRW. There's a bounce of LRW. As we see here in the chart, Petron Corporation, this area here is the resistant area. When the resistance break by PCOR, the price is going up. But when it hit the resistance line here, this area, there is a rejection. If we see the price movement of PCOR currently as of 9:52 in the morning, still there is no buying opportunity for PCOR. So there is a support created on this area here, but this is not enough for me. In my own point of view, I need more price action of Petron Corporation. So if in case he will break this horizontal support, then this is the next support that we need to watch for Petron Corporation. This horizontal support line below, because this is the strong support area where this is the previous resistance. There are many times this area there's a rejection, previous rejection. So this is a resistant area. So we need to watch for me if we will going down in this area. But currently, as of 9:54 in the morning, we need still I did not see any buying opportunity for PCOR. So we need to wait if there is another uh, bullish price movement of Petron Corporation. But for now, for me, if we ever the price will still uh, the same until the closing time, there's a possibility that this horizontal support ay ma-break ni PCOR. So I need more price movement of PCOR. Even it is in the support area, it's creating a double bottom, but based on the candle, still there's no confirmation for Petron. So we need to wait another price movement of Petron Corporation. Next one is Double Dragon. We need to see Double Dragon. Uh, sh- Now URC is down. D2 is up. Up is green. PHA is down. FNI is down. GB7 is green. Now, if you see double dragon, this is for one. But as of now, there is a rejection of double dragon on this line, this horizontal resistance. So we need to avoid DD. We need to wait if there is another fallback on this horizontal support line below. So don't be aggressive for double dragon now. We need to wait if there is a fallback again on this horizontal support line below. Because it's trying to going up to this resistant line, this horizontal resistance, but there is a rejection. And we need to say after 1 o'clock because the trading time is up to 1 o'clock. So we need to see if he will break this horizontal resistance. But if not, if he will close the same as of 9:56 in the morning, then we need to see if there is another fallback of double dragon. So he's trying to break this area, but it is rejected here in the exponential moving average 200. So this is the area, strong area for the moving average EMI 200. There's a rejection and then the price is going down again. So we need to wait more price movement of DD if we will going back to the support area. But for me, for the base area, I need to watch for DD. In my own opinion, if you will climb above all the exponential moving averages, this area here. But for now, it is already rejected as of now. Shout out to Henry Six sa Bonitalia and Jonathan Nohu, to Coach Barquez, to Engineer Eric Lamantad, na? And Engineer Eric Rimolano, to Federico Paulino, Engineer Berelio Magna, and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat. And also to Engineer Jonas Espio, thank you very much for your support. And to Christian Earl Amlog, thank you. To Engineer Edwin Vergara. So now let's go to the next one is tech. We will see tech. So now is again up. ABA is also green. Jollibee is down. So this is the chart of certain. Is rejected on this area here. Previously, last April 2020, it is rejected. It's trying to break this resistance incline. January 13, again, it is rejected. Now, for me, my general opinion for tech, I need to wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So if ever, still is holding in the support. This is the support line. This area it's holding. This is the previous resistance, and now it will act as the support. So take note that if the resistance I'm a break, then if the price will go back to this area, it will become support. This is the area here. And if the support I'm a break, then if the price will going up or there's a bounce, it will act as a resistance. So now is still staying above on this horizontal support. But if you see, it is below all the exponential moving averages. So we need For me, the best time we need to see is if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. Because now there's a possibility that the price will break this horizontal support, and this is the area we need to watch next for Certic Holdings. This next horizontal support line below this one. So for me, this is not the time to be aggressive for Certic. We need to wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. And if ever there is a breakout of this horizontal support, this is the area we need to watch for tech, this next support line below. So there is a big gap on this area between this resistance and this support area. So this is the area we need to watch if there is a breakout of this horizontal support. So, but my general opinion, it is good if we will break this incline resistance. So this is not the time to be aggressive for tech Certic, no? So I hope you learned something about this discussion. This is only purely educational purposes to study the support and resistance. So don't be aggressive, even it is in the support. But if you see there are a lot of resistances and above, so it is not the time to be aggressive. You need to wait if there is a breakout of the resistance. And now if you see the tech Certic, there are many resistances here. There is moving averages, and the best thing is if you will break the incline resistance. On that time, if you break that incline resistance, he will up above all the price will go up above all the exponential moving averages. So this is my opinion for Certic. So there is one here I will add. We need to see the PHA. What happened to PHA? This is the last one. Even it is not included, but there's another request here. I need to see for PHE. So I hope this will help this discussion. This is only pure support and resistance. Now this is the area we need to watch. This is a good area. We need to watch the time when it going up. But for now, when he will hit this resistance here, there is a rejection and is going down. And bouncing this support, again, he will hit again this resistance area. And then it is rejected again. There is a minor incline support, this line. Again, there's a pullback and there's a bounce. Again, it is rejected. And this one, again, it is yesterday, again, there is a rejection. So for my general opinion for PSA, if ever he will not close above and break this area here, for me, there's a possibility that this incline support, this line, ay ma-break ni PHA. So now we slowly but still is above the EMA 20, this blue line. But for me, there's a big chance that he will break this incline support, this line. So there's a big possibility now as of 10:04 in the morning. If ever the price of PHE will close red today, there's a possibility that he will go down, and I will check in the May 20 if he will bounce in this area. Okay, because there's a big rejection yesterday. So just watch this May 20. But for now, as I said, I think there is a big possibility that he will break this incline support, this line. So the only things we need to watch now is the exponential moving average 20, this blue line. If ever this blue line ever break, then of course we will go back here in the bottom, this area here. So we will see it is corresponding with the exponential moving average 50, this red line. So but for now, for me, my general opinion for PHA, don't be aggressive for PHA now. Shout out to my son, John Paul ACAS. Thank you. How are you today? Thank you very much. So this is my general opinion for PHA. Don't be aggressive for PHA unless if we will break the horizontal resistance above. Because yesterday there is a breakout. He will try to break out, but when during the closing hour, it is rejected. So it is a bearish candle. So it's red. So I will not be aggressive for PHA for my own opinion for now. I will wait another price movement of PHA unless I will break the resistance line above. So I hope you learned something about this discussion, and if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box and we will discuss about stock market support and resistance. So before I go, I will shout out to all my viewers, to my wife, to MSE Delhen, to Engineer Ben Bilan, and Giant's daughter. Thank you very much. And to my son, no? John Paul, thank you for your support. So that's all for today. We need to take care every day. And God bless us all always.